The spacecraft is completely healthy, perfectly healthy. We also got, of course, a lot of rover data, and Sojourner also is very healthy. In this data, we got also weather information from the ASI Met over the night and the early day. We also got the first APXS data. The Alpha Proton X-ray Spectrometer has returned data. We'll present that to you tomorrow morning. They're going to take some time to process that and tell you what they found about the soil, which is where the spectrometer was resting. So we know that it was properly deployed by Sojourner down to the soil of Mars.
Yay, Art!
My butt, Art.
Yay, Art! God. Yeah, you understand the problem
like
with
that.
this is
Heavier.
much heavier. Yeah, you tell me when the deflection gets too great, please.
As you all know,
everything is going absolutely perfectly. With regard to that, we have basically the perfect site, we have the perfect spacecraft, we have the perfect instruments, and we have the perfect rover, and now we're just more excited than you could possibly to believe to go out there and start to investigate what's there.
really fascinates us are these rocks that are so rounded. And this, of course, is consistent with transport by water. Here is a series of horizontal bands. And in fact, we've counted 4 or 5 individual levels of these horizontal bands. We see evidence of multiple episodes of flooding, not just one catastrophic event, but many events. And the banding that we see here is an indication of that multiple event, okay, multiple flooding.
This is the rock called Barnacle Bill. It's called that because in the close-up view...
We didn't see anything like this at either of those two sites. So those of you that saw those Viking sites that I showed earlier, and you said, well, it looks kind of red and rocky and it all looks the same. Wrong. This place is different.
broken apart. This is due to parallax, and it's not obviously the fact that they are broken. It's just a parallax effect. We chose to put Mars together rather than to see Mars together instead of the close-up objects. Again, you see the site where the rover is going to be doing its first traverses. You see the rocks, huge rocks there, maybe indicative of the ancient floods. In the distance, you see two peaks. And